Ever thought of making cash daily with Amazon, armed only with ChatGPT's AI smarts? Here's the lowdown. We're slicing through the fluff of affiliate marketing to show you how. It's all about turning ChatGPT into your sidekick for creating killer content that pays. Stick around. I'll walk you through the whole game plan, because here, effort turns into earnings. ChatGPT, OpenAI's brainchild, is rewriting the rules of content creation. This AI isn't just smart, it's a powerhouse, crafting text that mirrors human touch, making it a goldmine for anyone in the affiliate marketing game. It has a knack for generating video scripts, detailed product reviews, and tailored affiliate content. That's your shortcut to captivating your audience without sweating over every word. Here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT smooths out the content creation process, especially for niche markets. It's like having an all-seeing eye that knows exactly what your audience craves, helping you deliver that with precision. The real kicker? Marketers and creators, just like you, are already riding the ChatGPT wave to bolster their Amazon affiliate efforts, seeing their channels not just grow, but thrive. The perks of pulling ChatGPT into your Amazon game plan are no small fry. We're talking serious time savings, spot-on content accuracy, and the kind of scalability that can transform a side hustle into a main gig. And getting started? It's as simple as mastering a few commands and prompts, setting you on the path to content that doesn't just exist, but performs. In essence, ChatGPT is your behind-the-scenes maestro, orchestrating a content strategy that resonates, converts, and scales. It's about making every word count, every piece of content a step towards success. With ChatGPT, you're not just keeping up, you're setting the pace. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way, you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. In the realm of Amazon affiliate marketing and YouTube content creation, the art of selecting the right niche isn't just important, it's your foundation. Think of Amazon's vast product categories as your treasure map, guiding you to niches ripe for exploration and rich with potential. The key? Dive deep into current market trends and consumer interest. This is about finding that sweet spot where your passion and expertise meet a hungry audience. But where do you start? Amazon itself offers a goldmine of inspiration. Its product categories are like signposts pointing towards niches you might never have considered. From tech gadgets to gourmet foods, each category holds the promise of untapped affiliate income. Yet the true magic happens when you align this with what genuinely interests you. That's because authenticity isn't just a buzzword, it's what sets you apart on YouTube, turning viewers into followers, into customers. Imagine uncovering a niche that's not just underserved, but brimming with potential. That's where ChatGPT steps in, acting as your brainstorming partner. It helps you sift through your ideas, sharpening them into focused and niche concepts ready for the spotlight. With ChatGPT, validating your niche's market potential becomes less of a guesswork and more of a strategic decision. But what makes a niche truly great? Demand, minimal competition, and healthy affiliate commission rates. These are the pillars that can sustain your affiliate marketing efforts in the long run, turning a side hustle into a lucrative venture. By marrying ChatGPT's analytical prowess with your unique insight and interest, you're not just choosing a niche, you're setting the stage for a thriving online business. Diving into Amazon's affiliate program is your entryway into earning while you create. The sign-up process? Pretty straightforward. Yet the real game begins with crafting an application that stands out. Here's the deal. Detail your digital presence with clarity. Show them that your YouTube channel or blog isn't just another drop in the ocean. It's crucial, not just for acceptance, but for fostering a partnership that lasts. Remember, an embellished channel or blog speaks volumes, serving as your ticket in your platform for promotion. Here's where it gets real. Compliance isn't optional. It's the backbone of your relationship with Amazon. Stick to their policies like glue to ensure the affiliate journey that you're embarking on isn't cut short. And those potential earnings and commission structures they offer? That's your motivation, spelled out in black and white. But don't let the numbers dazzle you without understanding the fine print in their terms and conditions. Knowing this inside and out is your safeguard, ensuring you play by the book and profit by the game. Leveraging ChatGPT for content creation is akin to unlocking a treasure trove of potential, especially when you master the art of prompt engineering. This technique elevates your strategy from basic query responses to generating highly tailored content that resonates deeply with your audience. The key? Crafting prompts with precision, embedding your niche and audience interest directly into the equation. Starting with video script creation, prompt engineering with ChatGPT goes beyond asking for a generic script. It involves providing context, outlining specific angles or product features you want to highlight, and even dictating the tone and style of the output. For example, instead of a broad prompt, specify that you're looking for an engaging introduction that highlights the key benefits of a microphone for podcasting, aiming for a conversational yet informative tone. This specificity guides ChatGPT to produce content that's much closer to your vision. Incorporating SEO into your ChatGPT prompts can significantly boost your content's search visibility. This involves integrating targeted keywords into your request without compromising the natural flow of the content. A nuanced prompt might include phrases like generate a product comparison focusing on specific feature, incorporating phrases like target SEO keywords, ensuring that the output is both audience-friendly and SEO optimized. But generating engaging content doesn't stop with just the facts. Infusing your personal insights and experiences into AI-generated drafts brings authenticity to the forefront. It's about striking a balance. Let ChatGPT lay the groundwork with a solid content structure based on your refined prompts. Then inject your unique voice to create a narrative that's compelling and genuine. Effective prompt engineering can transform ChatGPT from a single chatbot to a dynamic content creation tool, capable of producing video scripts, product reviews, and descriptions that not only attract views, but also drive engagement and conversions. By fine-tuning your prompts, you guide ChatGPT to deliver content that's not just relevant, but riveting, making your affiliate marketing efforts more fruitful. Diving into video production, you're at a crossroads. Do it yourself or hand it over to freelancers. Both paths have their allure and pitfalls. DIY? It's cost-effective, hands-on, and incredibly rewarding as you watch your vision come to life. Tools like DaVinci Resolve or Shortcut throw open the doors to high-quality editing without denting your wallet. And with sites like Pexels or Pixabay, royalty-free assets are just a click away, ready to elevate your content. However, DIY demands time and a steep learning curve. If time's a luxury, outsourcing steps into the spotlight. Platforms like Fiverr are bustling markets where talent meets task. Voiceovers, editing, you name it. There's someone ready to bring their expertise to your project. But this convenience has a price tag. Budgeting becomes key. Invest wisely to ensure quality without overspending. Here's the kicker. Whether DIY or outsourcing, the end goal remains: producing content that resonates and retains. Quality is about how effectively your video communicates with your audience. Be sure to take this seriously. Aligning with freelancers means clear communication of your vision and goals, ensuring the final product not only meets but exceeds expectations. Optimizing your YouTube presence and leveraging Amazon affiliate links is an art and science combined, focusing on visibility, engagement, and trust. Start with your video descriptions. This is prime real estate for your affiliate links. Clarity and transparency are non-negotiable. Disclose the affiliate nature to build trust with your audience. Dive into the visual first impressions, thumbnails, and titles. Canva and ChatGPT can be powerful allies here, helping craft eye-catching images and compelling titles that not just attract, but hold attention. Then there's SEO, your secret weapon. Use keyword research tools to find out what your audience is searching for and incorporate these keywords into your video tags, titles, and descriptions. This isn't about stuffing keywords. It's about integrating them seamlessly to boost your content's discoverability. Content quality cannot be overstated. It's the bridge between catching an eye and securing a click on your affiliate link. Your videos should not only inform, but also entertain, encouraging viewers to explore the products you recommend on Amazon. Tracking your progress through YouTube and Amazon Analytics is critical. These insights allow you to see what works, what doesn't, and how to pivot your strategy for better results. It's about understanding your audience's behavior and preferences, then tailoring your content to meet those needs. Finally, consider the long game. Scaling your channel and affiliate efforts isn't an overnight feat. It involves consistent content creation, SEO optimization, and engagement strategies that align with your audience's evolving interests. The goal is not to just increase views, but to build a loyal community that trusts your recommendations, thereby boosting your affiliate earnings over time. We've navigated the realms of ChatGPT and Amazon affiliate marketing, carving out strategies for success. It's more than tactics. It's about crafting content that resonates and converts. Your journey begins now, so forge ahead, make your mark, and transform effort into earnings. And also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.